Let's now get to the bench, because the bar conference is not just about the Ghana Bar Association, but it's also about the bench, all of whom are members of the Ghana Bar Association. Justice Yoni Kulendi was at the bar conference. Can I? Yes. Justice Yoni Kulendi was at the bar conference. And then there was also other judges. I believe this was a judge that represented the Chief Justice. This is Justice Gabriel Scott Poamang. And this is Justice Jamefe. This is Justice, I have to get his name. But this is the issue. Justice Baffoe Bonie, if you can give me Justice Baffoe Bonie's photograph, it's very important. Justice Baffoe Bonie is the acting Chief Justice. He did not attend the bar conference. Justice Baffoe Bonie did not attend the bar conference. He sent somebody else to attend the bar conference. If you can give me the photograph of the Supreme Court judge, my lady, who attended the bar conference for Justice Baffoe Bonie. Now, there she is. She attended the bar conference. She represented the Chief Justice at the bar conference. Now, there's a bit of gossip around this conversation. I'm going to share with you. This is Justice Baffoe Bonie, who is the acting Chief Justice. Your Lordship, good evening. Now, Justice Baffoe Bonie is an acting Chief Justice. He recently issued a public notice that he was traveling and that he will be replaced by Justice Gabriel Poamang, who was the next senior most. This is the letter that said so. They put it out like this. Okay, no, this is the letter that says so. So the letter says that away from duty. It's 13th August 2025. It says, I shall be away from the jurisdiction from Monday 18th August to Thursday 28th August 2025. I am, in my absence, the most senior justice of the Supreme Court. His Lordship Justice Gabriel Poamang will act. Please accept my compliments, etc., etc. Justice Paul Baffoe Bonie, acting Chief Justice. So Justice Baffoe Bonie sent us this letter, general public. Now, yesterday, he was not able to attend the bar conference. It would have been easy if Justice Scott Gabriel Poamang was representing him and reading his speech at the bar conference. Every bar conference, the Lord Chief Justice speaks. So we all knew that the Chief Justice was going to speak, and we wait for what he's going to say. So Justice Baffoe Bonie did not attend the bar conference, and he did not send Justice Gabriel Poamang to attend the bar conference. He sent the lady Supreme Court judge, who, according to the Pagan order, is the junior most Supreme Court judge. She's the one who was sent to represent the Chief Justice at the bar conference. Justice Yoni Kulendi, a fairly senior Supreme Court judge, was at the bar conference, but he was not asked to represent Justice Baffoe Bonie, the acting Chief Justice. There's a bit of gossip that lawyers are having this conversation around that. But why didn't the Chief Justice send one of the senior? Why did he send the young Supreme Court judge, this lady who went in there to represent the Chief Justice? Now, my lady, good evening. Now, the video here will confirm that she represented the Chief Justice. Let's just watch the video to confirm that she did, and then we come back and finish up the analysis. This is what she said.
I bring you warm greetings from His Lordship, Justice Paul Baffoe Bonie, Acting Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. His Lordship is unable to be here in person due to other pressing engagements, so he has delegated me to read his address today.
That's Justice Hafizata Amali Boba, her ladyship Supreme Court judge, who represented Justice Baffoe Bonie. So viewers, you get the drift of the matter. Justice Baffoe Bonie is the acting Chief Justice based on the fact that he's the most senior most. In fact, there's a bit of jurisprudential conversation about this, whether the letter that Justice Baffoe Bonie wrote for Justice Gabriel Poamang was valid, because Justice Baffoe Bonie is acting Chief Justice under a constitutional provision. The 1992 Constitution provides that where the Chief Justice is unable to perform his or her functions, the next senior most judge will replace him. That's where the Constitution ends. The Constitution does not proceed to say that if that next senior most judge is also not able to perform his function, it should be the next. We can presume it, but the Constitution really doesn't say that. And so Justice Baffoe Bonie handing over to Justice Gabriel Scott Poamang was debated in legal corridors whether it's a proper thing to do. You know, they are constitutional purists, and they like to talk about these things, and I won't mention their names, but you know some of them. They are constitutional purists. So that's a different matter, but that conversation was had. Now, though, Justice Baffoe Bonie then sends Justice Hafizata Amali Boba to the bar conference to represent him. So Justice Yoni Kulendi is at the bar conference. he doesn't get to represent the Chief Justice, even though he's senior on the Supreme Court, as far as Supreme Court is concerned, to Justice Yoni Kulendi. He's senior to Justice Amali Boba. Somehow, Justice Amali Boba is the one speaking for the Chief Justice.